Alright, we're in second notch range. Coming in. Last check here. Flaps, boost pump. Sorry, no boost pump. Lights, switches, fuel. We're good. A little high. Gonna pull some power. Speed is looking good. One notch of flaps to go. We don't need to square up too much. Got a big jet coming in. Gonna head right for the runway here. Dogleg the final approach, so those guys can get out.
November 627 Romeo, you're following a Cessna 172 on the 1 mile final.
Roger, we have the 172, 7 Romeo.
November 627 Romeo, runway 6, number 2, clear to land, wind 090.
Alright, power's out. One notch of flaps to go. Speed's good. Final notch in. Beautiful. Speed's a little fast. Aiming for the 1,000 footers. 165. Little fast. Perfect. Beautiful. Ups up.
November 172 Echo Foxtrot, turn right on Charlie. And how long are you staying with us?
Right on Charlie, and I'd say, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 hours.
172 Echo Foxtrot, Roger, contact ground. 124.35, enjoy your stay.
Over to ground, thanks for your help, 2 o'clock.
Welcome.
Vineyard ground, 172 Echo Fox, clear on Charlie. We're going to transient parking for maybe 4 or 5 hours.
Echo Foxtrot, right turn on Alpha and taxi to the blue ropes all the way down to the end of the ramp on the left. Someone will come help you.
Alright, right on Alpha and to the blue ropes down there.